What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick unboxing of Xiaomi 12 smartphone. So we are going to have a look on the device we got inside, all of the accessories, design, build quality, features, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here you can see we got the huge 12 branding, Xiaomi branding, name of the smartphone Xiaomi 12. It is a 5G capable smartphone and it comes with Harman Kardon speakers. The device we got inside is purple in color and it comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. There is another variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The one we got comes with 8GB RAM. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, the quick start guide, warranty card, safety information, and here we got the silicone TPU case for the back panel. Xiaomi 12 in purple color. A 67-watt charger, and here is a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, there is no earphones provided in the retail box of Xiaomi 12. So inside the retail box you will find the Xiaomi 12 smartphone, the silicone case, user manual, quick start guide, USB Type-C cable and a 67-watt charger. So here on this protective film you can see few of the specs are mentioned that Xiaomi 12 comes with 50 megapixel pro grade main camera, and we got ultra wide angle lens and a tele macro lens. There is no telephoto lens provided. We got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 120Hz AMOLED display with dual speakers, and these speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon. We got 67-watt wide charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and it comes with a 4500 mAh battery. Xiaomi 12 in purple color. So let's switch on the device. So now I'm going to go through the setup, and after that we will have a detailed look on our Xiaomi 12 here. And here we go. So we are now at the home screen of Xiaomi 12. So first of all, let's talk about the design. And the very first thing I'm noticing here that how beautiful is the display because of the super narrow bezels and the curved edges. The front side is basically just a screen because we got more than 90% screen to body ratio. The side bezels are negligible because of the curved edges, and the top and bottom bezels are very thin, and as you can see that the curved edges look beautiful. On the right hand side we got the power key, volume rockers, some tiny antenna line. On the left hand side we got just two antenna lines on the frame. At the bottom we got the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone and the SIM card tray slot. At the top we got another speaker grill. So Xiaomi 12 comes with stereo speaker setup, and at the top you will also find the Harman Kardon branding right next to the secondary microphone, and we got an IR blaster as well on Xiaomi 12. But the position of the top speaker is not good, because if you are like me who holds the device like this while holding it horizontally, you can see my palm is totally covering the top speaker. So if you are like me, you will have to use the device like this. Then the problem is that this camera module touches the palm and it feels a bit uncomfortable while holding it. So the top speaker position is not good in my opinion. On the back side we got the camera module that is quite minimalistic, still unique, beautiful and premium. The camera module is just popping out of the back panel, and then on top of that the primary camera lens is even coming farther. So if you keep it on a flat surface, then the device might wobble a bit, not from this end, but if you touch it at this corner. On the back side we got this shiny Xiaomi logo with 5G branding and lots of text showing the regulatory information, but they are kind of invisible, and that's a good thing because it is contributing in the minimalistic design of Xiaomi 12. The back panel comes with frosted glass finish and it is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, while on the front side we got the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. So we got dual protection on the screen of Xiaomi 12, the Gorilla Glass Victus, and a screen protector as well. But unfortunately this device does not come with any kind of IP certification. So considering the fact that this is a flagship smartphone, it would be really nice if the device was waterproof and came with an IP certification. At 179 gram, the device is pretty lightweight, and because of the small size and huge screen to body ratio, it is really easy to use it with one hand, and it is providing very nice grip because of the curved edges of the back panel and the screen, and the matte finished frosted glass back panel also contributing in the overall experience while holding the device and providing a super strong solid grip. Talking about the display, we got a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus screen with 90% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, so the PPI you will get is 419 on this AMOLED display that comes with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, Dolby Vision support, and it can produce as high as 68 billion colors. So the display of Xiaomi 12 is really gorgeous in every aspect. It's super sharp, the colors are punchy, the viewing angles are great, and it is pretty bright as well because the maximum brightness can go as high as 1100 nits in auto mode, and manually it can go as high as 500 nits. So you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny day in outdoors. The display comes with 120Hz refresh rate, but it supports only either 60Hz or 120Hz, and it cannot go in between. It comes with always on display, and you get plenty of options to select the always on display, and you can even create custom always on display on Xiaomi 12. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice and it's very smooth, as you can see here. Talking about the software side, it comes with Android 12 and Xiaomi's MIUI 13. So on the home screen you will get some Xiaomi applications and also a set of Google applications in Google folder. In tools you will find some nice useful applications, and it also comes with Mi Remote because our device comes with an IR blaster as well that is also quite unique. You won't find it on many smartphones these days. Here you can see that we got few more Xiaomi applications and some bloatwares as well in the more apps folder. But the good part is that you can uninstall them very easily if you do not want to use them. And it also comes with Netflix pre-installed, and you can enjoy high quality streaming content because of the Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus support on the display of Xiaomi 12. If we go to the settings, you can see that our device comes with MIUI 13.03, and talking about the storage, out of 256 GB, 25.7 GB is already consumed, and the remaining storage is 230.3 GB. So this is what you will get on a brand new Xiaomi 12 when it comes to storage. As we already know, MIUI 13 is very feature rich and it comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity. We will talk about it in later videos, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Since we got Harman Kardon tuned stereo speaker setup on Xiaomi 12, let's play some ringtones and let's see how good exactly it is. So I can feel the stereo effect for sure, and the speakers are loud enough, and the audio quality is also quite nice. You can feel a bit of bass coming out of the speaker. The audio quality is quite nice for sure. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps, and on the back side we got 50 megapixel primary camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 5 megapixel telephoto macro lens with autofocus. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens provided. So personally, instead of the macro lens, I would prefer if there was a dedicated telephoto lens with at least 3x optical zoom on Xiaomi 12, considering it is a flagship smartphone. If you launch the camera application, the very first thing that pops up on the screen is that this device comes with motion tracking focus, and you can turn it on right from here. So let's turn it on. Okay, so it is in the setting, and you can see we got plenty of options here. So what we got is the motion tracking focus, eye tracking focus. We got the motion capture auto night mode that is turned on by default, distortion correction in the ultra wide angle lens, and you can save the picture in the high efficiency image format as well. So plenty of settings and options we got in the camera setting here. And if you go to the user menu, here you will find some options. So you can go up to 0.6x wide angle lens. We got 1x and 2x. This 2x is totally digital because Xiaomi 12 does not come with any telephoto lens, and it comes with HDR AI. We got some filters, we got Google Lens, and here in the hamburger menu you get more options to use on your Xiaomi 12, and this is where you will find the dedicated super macro option in the user interface. And then we got the video mode. As you can see that the device is capable of recording up to 8K resolution videos at 24 FPS, and you can record 4K resolution videos up to 60 FPS. And the super macro mode is available for videography as well, but it reduces the resolution up to 1080p at 30 FPS only. You can go to the Pro mode where you will be able to customize all of these camera parameters like white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO. You can select the lens and you can do various changes in the camera parameters to capture a picture the way you want. And then we got the portrait mode where you can select the depth of field, you can select the beautification, and you can also select some nice template and filters that you can apply on the portrait mode. If you go to the more, here you will find lots of options like night mode, dedicated 50MP mode, short video, panorama, documents, vlog, slow motion, time lapse, movie effects, long exposure, dual video, and clone. So we got lots of options in the more section. We will talk about in detail about all of these in our detailed review of Xiaomi 12 and the detailed camera review of the device. But right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that how much features and options we got on Xiaomi 12 camera. Now let's take few pictures of this soft toy here, the Hello Kitty, and let's see how good it's going to be in the auto mode. So these are the pictures that we have just captured, and you can see that the camera is capturing really nice images with lots of detail. You can see how much detail we are getting from the camera of Xiaomi 12 here. The focusing is also quite nice. For example, you can see that here I tap on this paw, so this is in focus, this is a bit blurry, out of focus. So the touch focus is working quite nicely as well, and once again you can see how much detail it is capturing. This one is really nice, lots of detail. So the camera performance is looking quite nice and impressive at the first glance for sure, but this is just a first impression video. We will see how good it's going to be in different lighting conditions using different camera modes in our daily usage. And we will cover all of these in the detailed camera review of the device and also in the detailed review of Xiaomi 12. So do not forget to press the bell icon and get the notification when those videos are live. But at the first glance, Xiaomi 12 is looking pretty solid flagship smartphone considering its hardware, build quality, features, super gorgeous display, and the camera performance. The only thing I'm missing here is that there is no 3.5mm jack provided, but that's pretty common these days in the flagship smartphones. But even more important thing is that Xiaomi 12 does not come with waterproofing, and that can be a deal breaker for many smartphone users. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of Xiaomi 12 like the gaming review, benchmarking review, comparison with other smartphones, camera review, various tips and tricks etc. are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.